Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Therichpost myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the custom WordPress WooCommerce car rental system with fully functional. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest videos. So friends, here we go. So we see here is the WooCommerce checkout page and you can see I have added the two items car with pricing and proper total edit and billing details. See shipping details as well and additional information like pickup location, drop location, pickup date, drop date, and the number of families. Additional options as well like the insurance coverage full $30 per day, partial coverage $15 per day, SIM card plus internet 6 per day, and the child seat 6 per day per seat. So guys, see, let me add this to one, and we will see this edit see also with subtotal as well. Let me add this one too, and this one, and all will be updated here via Ajax C. Works like charm. See guys. Let me add one more SIM card to two. See, we see works well. And if I reduce it to zero, see, it has been gone. And friends, when we place the order, we will see the information like there as well. See, WooCommerce. Okay, see, work like charm. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis. And also my blog, you'll get multiple free things like Angular, React.js, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5, and free thousands of admin dashboard templates as well. See guys, okay, all are free of cost. And friends, back to checkout page. And friends, if you want this kind of functionality or more, then feel free to contact me anytime. Now friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.